If you follow my channel at all, you know I like to talk trash about ads that suck because most of them do, and most people that run ads are really just flushing their money down a black hole. But in this video, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to show you an ad that's actually really, really good and is working really well. This is an ad you can see on the screen here for an app called Replit, which it's an AI app that creates apps, essentially. So I'm going to show you the ad video, and I'm going to tell you why this is such a good ad.
You always wondered why that app didn't exist. Now you can make it.
Okay, we're 4 seconds in. You always wondered why that app didn't exist. Now you can make it. So it's joining the conversation that's already in somebody's head. They're like, man, I wish there was an app for that, right? A lot of people have had that thought, and now it's saying, now you can make it, right? Which is literally like the entire idea of the ad encompassed within 4 seconds. Now, with YouTube ads specifically, that first 5 seconds is critical because the 5-second mark is exactly where people can have the option to skip the ad. So the fact that they've packed the entire message, like, here's the benefit, and join the conversation with the person's already thinking, well, doing that within 5 seconds is really, really effective. They're much more likely to watch after that rather than just skip. So they did a really nice job of that.
Meet Replit Agent. Want a custom workout plan? Make an app.
Now, it's showing exactly how it works. It's actually demonstrating it real time, and it's giving an example. So, like, want a workout plan that does whatever, and it says on the screen, it's like the person is typing, create an app to track my daily push-ups.
Have a great idea at 2 a.m.? Make an app for that. Need to run an analysis? Or learn with your kid? Make an app for that too.
And then it's hitting a bunch of use cases for how this thing can be used. It's going to appeal to a broad range of different people, right? So have an idea at 2 a.m. or need to learn with your kids, want to create like a financial analysis. And then it's also, so it's giving the ideas, the kind of broad level ideas in the voice, and then on the screen, it's demonstrating with specific examples, like help us learn about the solar system. So something like this has so many different capabilities, it's actually really helpful to give specific examples and give broad examples to kind of jog people's imagination about how they would use it for their particular situation.
This isn't just making apps. This is your imagination unleashed. Describe what you want and watch it come to life.
And then it shows the process and how simple it is. Like you type in one sentence, you hit the submit button, and then it just makes the app for you, which is admittedly pretty amazing.
No coding experience, right from your phone. Come to life. No coding experience, right from your phone. Made an awesome app with a friend. Have a business idea?
And then, okay, no coding experience. That's important because the majority of the audience isn't going to know how to code. So they're preempting possible objections. Oh, I can't use this app. I don't know how to code. Well, no, you don't need coding experience.
Start in minutes.
Start in minutes. This is minimizing investment. It does not take a lot of time. It does not take a lot of effort for you to take advantage of this thing.
Everything you need is in your hand. Now is the perfect time. Create something amazing. What will you make today? Try it free at Replit.com.
And then try it free. You don't even have to pay for this thing, at least at the beginning. Try it free at Replit.com. And that's it. Now, if you wanted any proof that this ad is working, well, look at this. They've spent, since March 30th, 2025, which happens to be March 31st, 2026 as of recording this, so it's exactly 1 year. They spent $21.5 million on this ad, and 400,000 of that just within the last 30 days. So, do you think this ad is working? Like, I would say that means this ad is working. Now, if I go to Replit.com, which it has a link to that, guess what it shows? What will you build? Turn ideas into apps in minutes, no coding needed. So there's like the same thing we're saying, that it only takes minutes, right? So very little time investment, and then no coding. So like the main objection, oh, I don't know how to code, they're preempting right there. And then rather than tell you about it, rather than give you a video, you just demonstrate. You just like describe your idea. So like, make me a workout app that tracks my push-ups or whatever. Right? Like just like what they were doing on the video. And then I hit start. And then, I haven't actually used this, so I don't know how exactly it works, but literally they give you a demo of how it works without you having to do anything, without you having to opt in for anything, without you having to watch a video. It's just like straight to the demo. So this is really, really well done, basically for several reasons. Just to recap here. Number one, it starts with the specific benefit. Hey, now if you don't have an app that you want to have, you can just make it yourself. So it starts with the specific benefit. Then it jogs the imagination of how people can use it for themselves specifically, which for this particular use case is helpful because there's so many potential uses. And then it preempts the main objection, which is, hey, I don't know how to code. And then it makes it very, very, very easy. It's like, oh, it only takes a few minutes, and they talk about that in the app, or in the ad rather, and they show it in the ad that, oh, you just have to type a little bit and then push the start button, and then it goes. And then when you actually go to the page, it's exactly that. There's no opt-in, there's no long video, there's nothing you have to learn. It's just a demo of how it works right up front. So this is a really, really nice YouTube ad. Now, if you're not already aware, YouTube is the single best ad platform that exists on the market right now because YouTube is owned by Google, and Google knows a just scary amount of data about everyone. So if you want a particular type of person that lives in a particular place and is searching for particular search terms on Google and is reading particular things in their Google email account, or is browsing particular types of websites on their Google Chrome browser, etc., Google knows all of that, and you can target those people specifically, the lowest hanging fruit customers, with YouTube ads. Now, that's what I do day in and day out. I run YouTube ads. I create and run, I should say, YouTube ads plus the entire funnel for my clients. If you would like to explore potentially having me create and run a YouTube ads funnel for you to get you new clients coming in on autopilot, I'll put a link in the description where you can get the full info. And if it looks like a fit, then apply to work with me. And if you would like to see how I set up YouTube ads funnels specifically for high ticket offers, I've got a great video on that right here where I walk you through exactly how that whole process works.